Hello everyone and welcome back to our Wisdom of Scale Technique series, as I like to say it. And today we're gonna start all the 7 scales with flats, and they're gonna be the minor scales, okay? So today we're gonna start with D minor. D minor, it's the relative of F major, so please go back on my playlist to the technique series and check the F major scale. Right? 3 half steps down, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna have the minor relative, that it's D minor. As you remember, all minor scales, if you are new over here and you did never check and you never checked on the minor scale tutorial, all minor scales, they do have 3 ways of playing or 3 modes: the natural, harmonic, and melodic. And I'm going to tell you everything about it, right? So D minor natural, very easy. You start with D, end with D, and obviously because it's relative with F major, right? F major, 1 flat, B flat. Now you're going to play the B flat. So simple as that, not big deal. The fingering is exactly as C major. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should know it by now how to play, because you already know how to play the C major scale. So this would be the D minor natural. Left hand exactly as C major fingering, but exactly as the right hand, of course. Same fingering. It's very easy. Right now, both hands together. So it's like pretending you play C major. But you start with D and you apply the B flat, okay? So you just pretending it's C major, but you start with D. And D as a dog with D. And you're putting the B flat in, right? Right now, to get to the harmonic way, so the 7th key, that is the one before the last one, that would be the C. We will never play C, we will play the C sharp, right? So in that case, right hand is gonna go like that. It's very cool. So this one, if you would like to practice this, that would be really fun to do it, right? Both hands, same fingering, and you add the C sharp in and you're coming back. 2 octaves right now coming. You end on 1, exactly like in C major. You press number 4 on E, turn here, and again C sharp here, being the harmonic way. I'm gonna go one more time, just to make sure that you got it. 1 octave, going 2 octaves. Okay, going 4 here. Practicing a little bit on that interval, right? And then you can go a little bit faster once you know it very well. fun for me as well. I will give you another good idea how to practice. You can do split as well. It's very easy because we having the same fingering like in C major. So you go one octave and then you split the hands and you pay attention to play those two keys like that. In both hands, they are exactly the same thing. This is an extra bonus for you how to split. So you start from here, 1, 2, 3, both hands, and then one inside, and you finish here. Very fun to do it. And then coming back where you started. Is it not fun? You feel smart? So right now I'm going to go into D minor melodic. So in this case, we're having two keys, B flat and C. Both of them, there needs to be raised half step. So in that situation, all going up only. In that situation, B flat becomes B natural, C becomes C sharp. So the scale will be like that. Going up, going back, it's gonna go back into natural, right? And I'm just gonna go. The fingers this time are the same. That's a very easy scale, considering that, you know, we did have like an F sharp minor and B flat minor and all that crazy stuff before. You know, this one, it's a really an easy one. So I let you with this. And our next video, guess what? We're gonna go to G minor. Again, a very easy scale. So I'm like, oh my God, those are so easy compared with whatever we did before. So the next one is G minor. Have a great day. Thank you for being here and see you in the next one. Hello everyone, I'm Liana, the founder of Music Academy International Inc. Music Academy International Inc. It's a non-profit foundation. Our goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study abroad with international teachers. We opened this channel on September 11, 2020. So we're having about 4 months and we already uploaded about 100 videos by now on a range variety of topics. We did Christmas tutorial for beginners, Christmas tutorial for advanced. I did a lot of performance on Christmas, and then we did tutorials for intermediate, tutorials for beginners, you know, with even some Broadways as well. And definitely we did an entire series of technique with all the scales. 2021, I'm planning to do lots and tons of materials. I'm talking another probably 200-300 videos, I'm not sure, but I have an entire list in which we will do Disney, we will do a lot of Chopin tutorials and more tutorials. I will perform a lot and many others, especially technique regarding speed, fingers exercise with Hanon. I'm gonna have an entire series like 30-40 videos just on technique way how to achieve that. As we speak, this channel is not yet monetized. That means you will not have ads for quite a period of time. We will see how long we can do that. Instead, we do have our Patreon link. Patreon is a page, you know, you will find the link below in which you can support our massive work to share this love for music with everybody. As an extra bonus, all our Patreon supporters, $5-10 a month, doesn't matter how much, you'll have access to our private Facebook group that is called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I'm doing free webinar once a month starting with March. As a second bonus, when you subscribe, every 25 subscribers, they will have a free class with me one-on-one on Zoom. So we always like to over-deliver. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and especially that window where it's saying all. So on this way you will be notified every time I'm uploading a new video and you would like to see it. You can connect with us as well on Instagram, same name, Music Academy International Inc. On Facebook, Music Academy International Inc., exactly the same name. And thank you so much again from all my heart, and bless you.